Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on SAVA, Cassava Sciences. It's been a while since I made my last update here because we have here a very flat price action here since a couple of months already here after this massive drop here in November 2024. SAVA came down. Yeah, we had here a very big short squeeze potential, guys, and we still have short squeeze potential for SAVA. That's why I give you here the updated price levels, and I'm also not surprised by the actual price drop. So we go through the chart here. I show you all the levels to the up and the downside, and of course explain why I personally think that SAVA has short squeeze potential. Even now, it's a very good time because no drama, no squeeze, guys, but everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Okay, guys, so I made a couple of videos here on my channel about SAVA already. Very nice short squeeze trigger, short squeeze ticker where we also already traded here a couple of squeezes. If you're new to my channel, guys, the main purpose is of course to educate you in trading. That's why we will dive here into the chart pattern. I show you here all my chart drawings and price levels, but I also try here to predict short squeezes in the market, guys, and this is also one of the reasons why I do this update here on SAVA. Yeah, while we talk about SAVA, guys, or before we start with the chart, when I say I try to predict short squeezes, I not only try it, so I'm already very successful with that. Of course, there is no guarantee, but I do my best to predict short squeezes. This is one of the squeezes which we had just this week, guys, here. You can see 324%. Here the yellow line was the day when I posted this ticker here on Patreon. Then 1, 2, 3 days later, guys, we had a 324% squeeze. I also mentioned here to my members the date range when I expect the squeeze to happen. This is this yellow box, and I said also that I expect that we retest this algo demand zone here. And you can see that the price came exactly back to this price level before we had a sell-off, guys. So it is possible to predict short squeezes when you understand chart techniques, and of course you need some background information. This happened the week before, 20th of March, guys, just last week. We also had a 322% squeeze. I posted this ticker on Patreon here. 1, 2, 3, 4 days later, guys, we had this squeeze. This is just a snapshot. You don't see all the price levels here, of course, but that was also exactly here. The last point of exit was this red line here, and that was almost on the cent, guys. So yeah, blah blah blah. So if you want to see here my short squeeze plays, guys, you can of course join us here on Patreon. We are a very fast growing community, guys. Yeah, every day new members joining in. The full package membership here on Patreon is the most popular membership which I have, where you of course get access to all my hidden short squeeze stocks and also to my trading tutorials and the member FAQ section. So I show here a lot of insider tutorials here, and of course ask a lot of questions about trading. So this is for beginners and advanced traders. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader, and of course also available here in the video description. So guys, sorry for the long introduction. Let's dive here into the SAVA chart. The actual situation is that we had here a price drop of more than 95%. That looks horrible, guys, but the good news are SAVA is used to it, guys. I have to say that. So when we just see here from January 2024 until today, that looks horrible, right? That looks really horrible. Nobody wants to buy a ticker like that, guys, but you have to zoom out. You always have to zoom out, guys. You have to see the characteristic of a stock, and you have to know when a stock starts to squeeze. Yeah, I don't say that for no reason, guys. No drama, no squeeze. There are certain price levels where the algos snap in to push the price, and there are price levels where the algos bring the price below to cause a sell-off, or as I said, an algo reaction here. And guess what, guys? This is even not the all-time low. SAVA had an all-time low at 76 cents, and this ticker, guys, squeezed from 76 cents, and now I have to zoom and scroll and zoom and scroll and zoom to $146. This is a monster, guys. This ticker can squeeze. And when you wonder about these kind of price actions, how is that possible, guys? Don't ask that question. The market makers find a way to do it. I don't want to talk about market manipulation. Yeah, we have no proof for that, but there are ways how to manipulate the price. And you can see that we have these massive gaps here in the SAVA chart over and over again. So let's talk about the price levels here. That was a long blah 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 run here. So here we go, guys. Very simple chart. Yeah, I don't need to adjust that. The chart is always the same. I mentioned that here already in my latest video that was here by the end of January, that we have here an algo demand zone for SAVA between $2.05 and $1.65, and this is also the reason right now why I'm doing this video here. RSI, of course, we don't need to mention that. We have here a massive red candle, guys, and this red candle is because of some news. Yeah, they have here some problems. I don't care about news, guys. Yeah, I don't care what they say. The only thing what I know is that we have here certain price levels in the SAVA chart which we need to, let's say, retest. Yeah, and one of the what I said already here in January, one of the price levels where I expect the price to go is between $2.05 and $1.65. There is no bottom in yet, because you can see as soon as we started to drop this price level yesterday, we had at least a very small rebound reaction, nothing to mention, guys. So I don't expect that this is usually the bottom, but technically, guys, here is a very strong support for SAVA. So why should we go lower than that? The problem is that you can see already here the orange lines in the chart. These are open gaps, guys. So technically, SAVA has to come even back to $1. The all-time low was 76 cents. Technically, we have to close those gaps. The problem is, guys, that would be too easy, right? That we just come down and then start to short squeeze. The problem is that the trading algos always measure here the buying and selling pressure, and as soon as they start to use synthetic shares, guys, I don't know, 16 million volume in one day. Yeah, when we see the days before 2,600,000, 1,700,000, you can see that here in the corner from the TradingView screen, the volume, guys. I don't know. Yeah, it looks a very bit, I don't want to say, guys. What I can tell you is that $2.05 to $1.65 is a very strong support. Even if we come lower, that doesn't mean that this support is not active anymore. So the lower we come, guys, the higher is the potential to retest this liquidity zone, and that we see here something like a pump and a retest. If we want to see a short squeeze, guys, it's very simple. We have this trading pattern here for SAVA. We have this price line here. So for a normal algo squeeze reaction, I don't talk here about a short squeeze, just an algo squeeze, SAVA has the potential to come back to $6. So when we measure that from the actual price here, around, we are here $1.70 right now. So that is here a 240% algo squeeze, guys, not a short squeeze. If the price can retain this pattern here, if we can come back to this pattern here, guys, then we could see here a massive short squeeze for SAVA, guys. So now the first thing what we need, and this is your own decision, guys, not financial advice. The buy-in liquidity zone here for SAVA is fixed. But we have here also one very strong support level at $1.46. This is a technical algo rebound zone. We have an open gap at $1.48. For me personally, it would just make sense that SAVA comes down to this level, close this gap here, and then we maybe see here the first technical reaction. It could be a retest here of this zone, but this is what I'm waiting for, guys. This is what I can tell you. Keep in mind, we have also open gaps here at $1.33 and $1. So if SAVA just drops without any kind of support, then I think we will see here something like a knife constellation. Same like here, guys, it started already here, so we will come down and then you see a massive knife with a squeeze to the upside. This is what I expect here based on the chart. And of course, if SAVA does not dilute the stock, if they pump new shares into the market because they need cash to survive, that would be not good, guys. That would maybe kill the short squeeze momentum, but as long as they don't dilute, we have here a very high squeeze potential for SAVA. To make it simple, I think between $1.65 and $1 is the rebound zone waiting, guys. My friends, if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, this is called TradingView, the program what you see here. This is what I use for my videos here, and of course for all my trades. If you also want to learn trading, guys, I can just highly recommend to get a good chart tool, guys. I talk too much, guys, and that's why I recommend TradingView. I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the TradingView premium tier. This is available here in the video description, guys. So take your chance today and get TradingView for yourself, guys. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, by the way. My friends, that was the update on SAVA. I will keep you updated here as soon as we have here some volatile price actions coming. Keep those price levels in mind. Make yourself a screenshot and get yourself TradingView, guys. I wish you nothing but the best. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I appreciate your support, guys. And being that said, see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit SAVA und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.